Hello friends, welcome back to networking tutorial. So let's start our today's topic.
So guys, in this particular video, we'll take a look at the BGP configuration as well as we'll see some verification command and lab configuration. So that's the object of this video. And yes, we have already configured the IPs in our previous videos. If you missed that video, link will be available in the description box or in the I button. You can check out there, where we already discussed the basic configuration of ASA Firewall from scratch. So next, let's start the today's session. So in this topology, we will apply the BGP in between ASA and the inside network. So let's start. So first, configure terminal, router, BGP 200, neighbor 10.11.11.10. This is the IP of my ASA firewall. Remote as 100. Next, set the password. Neighbor 10.11.11.10. Password, suppose Cisco 123. Let's check. Do so. IP root, include connected. Yes, this 3 is the connected network. Router BGP 200, then network 10.1.1.0, then the mask 255.5.0, network 10.2.2.0, mask 0, exit. Next, let's go to the ASA firewall and apply the BGP over there. Configure terminal, router, BGP 100, REST family, IPv4, unicast. Neighbor 10.11.11.1. This is the IP of my inside router. Remote as 200. Neighbor 10.11.11.1. active. Neighbor 10.11.11.1. password Cisco 123. Enter. It will take some time to configure the BGP. Let's see. It's up now. So let's check our BGP network. So route BGP. Yes, both the network are there. So let's check the ping. Ping 10.1.1.1. Yes. 10.2.2.1. Yes. So both are reachable. In this way, you can configure the BGP between the router and the ASA firewall. Yes. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. So if you guys like this video, please do subscribe and comment and share this video. Stay tuned with me for the next video. Thank you so much.